Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the questions that is nurse Karen is addressing a pregnant patient in her third trimester who is concerned about experiencing shortness of breath. Okay, nurse Karen explains that this is the common issue at this stage of pregnancy. What is the most likely cause of this symptom? So in the third trimester, mother is complaining about the shortness of breath. So what is the reason, what is the cause behind this? So A, it is the normal occurrence in pregnancy because the fetus is using more oxygen. C, so basically in the third trimester, mother is complaining about the shortness of breath. Why? Because as you know, as the trimester is going, so यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यूट्रस का जो हाइट है that is increasing. Okay, so यूट्रस का जो हाइट है that is increasing. So around 36 to 38 वीक, that is in the third trimester, बेसिकली क्या होता है कि यूट्रस का जो हाइट है that is at the maximum height हो जाती है. So fundus reach at the maximum height, that is around the G sternum तक. And because of that स्टेज कि यहाँ तक जीफी स्टर्नम तक आ जाता है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट हैपन कि जो लंग्स है ना वो प्रॉपरली एक्सपेंड नहीं कर पाता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट लंग्स प्रॉपरली एक्सपेंड नहीं कर पाता है, मदर विल कंप्लेन अबाउट द शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रेथ. ओके, सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एट 12 वीक पे कहाँ पे होता है फंडस? अराउंड द प्यूबिक सिम्फाइसिस. ठीक है, एट 20 वीक पे कहाँ पे होता है? एट द अम्बिलिकस. सो 12, 20 एंड एट 36 to 38 वीक पे कहाँ पे होता है? एट जीफी स्टर्नम. ठीक है, एंड आफ्टर दैट अराउंड 40 वीक पे जो फंडस हाइट है दैट डिक्रीज एंड इट रीच टू अराउंड 32 वीक पर आ जाता है. ठीक है ना, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर एट 40 week the fundus height is equal to the at 32 week. Okay, so because of that this is known as lightening. Mother feel very light. जो shortness of breath वाला जो complaint था that is resolving है ना, so that is known as lightening or also known as welcome sign, means baby is coming very soon. So welcome sign or lightening, that is around at 40 week. Why? Because the fundus height is similar to at 32 week. Okay, so in this question it is telling like a normal occurrence in pregnancy because the fetus is using more oxygen. So yes, it is the normal occurrence. Okay, so यहाँ तक ये चीजें सही है, it is the normal occurrence and of course fetus is using more oxygen, but because fetus is using more oxygen, it is not because of that. The shortness of breath is not because of that reason. Okay, so it is the wrong. B है, a woman is having an allergic reaction to the pregnancy and its hormones. So it is again wrong. Because of the allergic reaction, mother will not tell about the shortness of breath, only complain. Okay. C, the woman may be experiencing complication of pregnancy. No. So this is the normal finding. This is not the complication of the pregnancy. So it is again wrong. D, the fundus of the uterus is high, pushing the diaphragm upward, and because of that the lungs is not properly expanded, and because of that mother is complaining about the shortness of breath, and this is the right answer. So D is your right answer. I hope you understand this topic very very well. You have to take home message. What is that? At 12 week the fundus of the uterus is around the pubis symphysis. At 20 week it is around at the umbilicus, and at 36 to 38 weeks it is around the जिफी sternum, and at 40 week it is around at 32 week वाले स्टेज पे आ जाएगा, and it is known as lightening or welcome sign. So thank you so much, all the best.